from the Caribbean to Cape Town and beyond.
Headed back out, Tiger Beach, for a couple more days. We just had a couple nice days actually out there. Multiple tiger sharks, good conditions. There's one, how about that one really big shark? Mornay, Jesus, that big girl thing was fucking massive. Of course, Buttface, the tiger shark, also there. Interesting shark. She's instantly recognizable thanks to the indentation on her head. It could be an old injury or maybe a birth defect. Either way, she's not shy. Always had a fun relationship for the years with that shark. And I love diving with her. She always puts on a great show. She's quite small, really agile, and pretty feisty. Known her for a long time. Had a go at me about 5 years ago. I was snorkeling. I literally got headbutted by Buttface. A couple more days now, nice conditions, nice weather. Excited.
Hit like or subscribe to follow us on our adventures.